and I'm here to show you how to use this Backwoods Canva template so it can make it a little bit easier for you to design it. And I'm sorry, this is my first time ever doing a tutorial, and I maybe sound a little slow, and I'm sorry for that. But anyways, here we go. So if you want to change the background, you would have to move the honeycomb pattern down a little bit so you can click on the background, and then you go up to the top and you can change the color to whatever. So I'm just gonna change it to color pink. And so if you want to change the honeycomb pattern, you just click on it, move it back to where it's supposed to be, and you can change it to any color you want. There are two patterns, so you would have to click on that side, and then the one on the back, click on it and change it to the same color. Oh, this one, okay. And then there's this box, so you can, it's the same color as the background or whatever color you choose. This you can I wrote this is what the Backwoods wrapper says on the back of the message or whatever it has on the back of the wrapper, but if you want to change it to anything you can. You just click on it, delete, type whatever you want. You can change the logo. So I ungroup it because it's all grouped together, so you know it doesn't get misplaced. So you click on the edit photo, and I don't know why Canva don't let you change the color of the photo, so you would have to go to filters and you just kind of like mess around to see what color you would like, because they have different options. So I'll just click on this one, and you can leave it like that, or you could regroup it. The same goes to this logo. So you want group, click on Backwoods, and you go to edit photo, then you go to filters, then you want to click on whatever color you would like it to be. The star, the same thing. You just go to the filters, and then you click on whatever color you would like. The same as the text. I grouped it, but you can ungroup it, because I don't know, this font, when you type the letters with the numbers on it, it like makes the number look smaller like this. It makes it kind of off, so I just put pack in one section, and then I put 3 in its own box. But you guys can change it to whatever you choose. And it's all natural. I know it doesn't look exactly like the Backwoods wrapper, but I've tried my best with the Canva design. You know, I don't know, they don't allow you to do a lot. So I tried to mess with it as much as I can. Or maybe this one will probably work better. Let's see. Yeah, so you go to outline, click the color you want. This would, the color of the font would be like, you would highlight it, and then you click white or whatever color you would like it, and then you would click effects, and then you would click outline, and then you would make it whatever thickness you would like around the letters, and then you would click the color option, and you click whatever color you would like to be. This is a warning. You can write whatever warning you want. I just put the exact same one as the Backwoods say, and that's it. Pretty easy. If you want to save it, you go to share, download. I like to PDF because I feel like it prints better, but it's whatever option you would like. And you would click download. And I want to thank you, and I'm sorry this is kind of fast, and this is my first tutorial, so please bear with me. I'm gonna learn more and try to do more tutorials on how to excuse me, I'm sorry, on how to do all the Canva templates. If you have any questions, just please reach out to me and message me, and I hope you guys all have a good day. Thank you.